Samsung has started rolling out a new security update for the Galaxy A54 in the United States, and if you own this device, you can now download the latest November 2025 security patch. Samsung has been moving a bit slower than usual with this month's patch, and that's mainly because the company has been busy finishing up the One UI 8 update for all the devices that are eligible. But now that the major software rollout is almost done, Samsung is catching up on its monthly security updates. The Galaxy A54 is the newest device to receive the patch in the US, and right now, it's available for unlocked models. If you have a carrier locked unit, don't worry, the update should reach you soon. These rollouts usually happen in stages, so a little delay is normal. The new update comes with the firmware version A546 UIK2, and it's arriving roughly 3 weeks after One UI 8 was released for the A54. This new patch doesn't bring any new features or changes to the interface. Its main focus is security and stability, and that's something every smartphone needs, even if it's not as exciting as a big software upgrade. Now let's talk about what this update actually fixes. The November 2025 security patch includes solutions for 25 security vulnerabilities found in the Android operating system. These are issues that Google identified and fixed, and Samsung is passing those improvements on to its users through this update. On top of that, there are also 9 fixes for Samsung's own One UI software, which cover problems that were specific to Samsung devices. There are also some important fixes for Exynos chip vulnerabilities, including the Exynos processor used inside the Galaxy A54. These patches are crucial because chipset-level security flaws can affect everything from app performance to device privacy. So even though this update doesn't add new features, it plays a major role in keeping your device secure and running smoothly. If you want to download the update on your Galaxy A54, the process is really simple. Just open Settings, scroll down to Software Update, and tap Download and Install. Your phone will check for the update, and if it's already available for your model, you'll see the option to download it right away. If you don't see it yet, don't panic. These updates roll out in batches, so it might take a few hours or even a day before it reaches every device. Once the update becomes available, make sure your phone has enough battery and ideally connect to Wi-Fi before downloading, as these updates can be a bit large. After installation, your phone will reboot and you'll be running the latest security patch. Updates like this don't always feel exciting, especially compared to major software upgrades like One UI 8, but they are extremely important. Security patches keep your phone protected from new threats, help fix bugs in the system, and make the device more stable overall. So if you own a Galaxy A54, it's definitely worth installing the November 2025 patch as soon as it hits your device. It's also good to see Samsung continuing to stay consistent with its update schedule. Even though this month was a little slower than usual, the Galaxy A54 is one of Samsung's most popular mid-range phones, so it's nice to see it getting the attention it deserves. If Samsung continues rolling out the patch to more regions and more devices, we can expect the rest of the Galaxy lineup to receive their November updates very soon. For now, Galaxy A54 owners in the US can get started by checking for the update on their devices and making sure they're running the latest and safest version of Android available.